Alright, I'm here at 1406 Beach Cove in La Porte, Texas. This is the detached garage, and right here is the actual little townhouse. I'm gonna look at the outside first. There, this is this is right here, the whole unit for sale. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Let's look at the street right here. This is the end of a cul-de-sac. Very nice and quiet. Well, except for the workers here working on a townhouse next to this one. But just to give you an idea of the cul-de-sac here, where the property is located, right here at the end of a cul-de-sac. All right, we're gonna go look at the outside of the property first. So this is the garage. So this is the actual living quarters, and right here this is the detached garage. We'll look at it first later. Okay, let's go look at the garage first. There's not a lot of light, but this is the garage. Looks in decent shape. It's big. It's 2-car garage. We have some cabinets here. It could be used as a workshop. There. All right. 2-car garage. Okay, so this is our unit here. It's a 2-story. So there's one little patio here, and then there is a little patio upstairs. So let's go here and see. We film this here. So they're working here on something for the next townhouse. Anyway, let me go. So this is the yard right here. See the AC unit. This is the little yard. And this is the patio, balcony. And there's another little patio up there from the 2nd floor. Okay, so this is the outside. Let's go get a closer look at the AC unit here. It seems old. It probably needs to be replaced with a new condenser. Otherwise, this is all the wiring and stuff. Alright, let's go look inside the property. I'll wash my shoes real quick. In the patio right here. Alright, let's go inside. This is the main entrance. Just a quick look at the outside again. Very nice and quiet. Okay. This is the next townhouse right here, and this is our garage right here. Okay, let's go inside. So here, of course, it's a 2-story, so there's got a 2nd floor. We'll see that later. This is the living room. It needs new flooring here in the living room. And this is a nice fireplace. You can see nice ceiling fans. Looks like you know. Anyway, it needs new flooring here. Okay. Then it comes into the kitchen, which looks nice. It's got tile floor. Look relatively new. Kitchen here. Nice cabinet. Might need a new stove top, may not. Dishwasher already. It's got a little doggy door here, as you can see. Let's go out in the patio real quick. Okay, so this is the patio from the kitchen. Might need a coat of paint there. Alright. You can see this is the garage. Let's go back in. Here it needs a coat of paint. It needs some paint here. This is still the kitchen. We need a coat of paint on the walls. Okay. It's the water heater. It looks in good shape. Okay, this is one bedroom. Still on the first floor. New ceiling fan. Looks like the paint is fresh. It's got some, you know, I don't think it's yet linoleum floors. I have a view here on the patio from there. Walk-in closet. There. It's got a full bath here on the first floor. There. The commode and the bathtub. Right there. There's no electricity, so can't shoot it better than that. Alright. And then we're going to go upstairs. Alright, so nice little thing. I mean, view from upstairs to the fireplace, the living room, and you can see the outside. Alright, so this is the first bedroom. Right. First bedroom. Looks like the paint is fairly new. Carpet is new. Ceiling fan looks new. Closet. Closet here. And then this communicates to your second bedroom. We can actually close this. Like this. Oh man, sorry about that. Very sorry about that. Forgot to turn off my phone. Anyway, let's finish here. So this can communicates to your second bedroom. There. With new ceiling fan, new paint. Nice done. This is a little patio, little balcony here. And needs a little paint. There. This is the view we get here. Very nice and quiet. This is our neighbors. Alright. There. And let's go check at the bathroom. This is where the AC unit here is. Let me check you on it real quick, but there's barely any light, so can't see much. But this is the AC unit here. Can't see anything. Another little closet here. And this is the second bathroom upstairs. Very nice, cute and cozy townhouse in Porte in a very quiet area. Alright, that's it. That's it. That's it for this house. Thank you. Now call Augie 713-999-4050 if you want to make an offer.